Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. Today, in this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall 360 Total Security from Windows 11. When you try to uninstall 360 Total Security, sometimes it doesn't uninstall correctly. This tutorial shows 3 different methods to remove the 360 security completely from your Windows 10 or 11 PC. First of all, remove the 360 icon from the Windows tray menu. Right-click icon and choose Exit. Then follow these methods. Fist method is the basic and common simple method. Open Control Panel and choose Uninstall a program. Here you can see the list of installed applications. Select 360 Total Security and choose Uninstall. The second method is Open Settings. Then open Apps menu and choose Installed Apps. Here, you will get the details of the installed third-party apps. Click on the 3-dot icon in the 360 Total Security apps and choose Uninstall. The third method is using Revo Uninstaller. Install the Revo Uninstaller and launch it. Here is the installed applications list. Choose 360 Total Security and click on Uninstall. Then click Continue to uninstall it. If the first method didn't work properly, then choose any of the remaining 2 methods. Let's try the first method, the simple uninstalling using Windows Control Panel. Select the 360 Security and click Uninstall. Then click Next, and now choose any of the following options. Then choose Uninstall and again click Uninstall button. Then select the 2 options and click Next. Now it will start uninstalling. After uninstalling, then check whether the installation is completed without any errors. From the control panel, list it's removed. Then check the installed app list in Settings. From here it is removed completely. If it is found here, uninstall it. Then at last check in Revo Uninstaller list. Here it's not found. Restart the system to take effect. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.